biscuits and gravy. Brown the Jimmy Dean sausage. It's just the regular, not the sage, not the hot. Okay, let's fold in 2 ounces of butter. We're gonna mix it with the pork. I use unsalted butter because then I can use more of my Little Louis and Hallelujah. Now let's whisk 1/3 cup of flour in there. It's gonna bond with the butter and the pork and make a kind of nice meaty roux, for lack of a better word. So there we go. Now let's pour 3 cups of milk in there. And the milk's gonna thicken, so I'm gonna stir it pretty good. Get it nice and thick and I'll be ready for action. Teaspoon of Hallelujah. Teaspoon of Little Louis. It's beautiful. And here's Little Louis. She likes it deconstructed. She likes everything separate. And this is Big Poppa style. Because you can't have too much butter. Hope my cardiologist isn't watching. Little secret. Just a dusting of cash cow. Let's take the eggs.